In Office.com, choose Excel from the application menu. From the Excel dashboard, choose New Blank Workbook. If you click on File, you can see that it looks similar to the Excel client. You have similar tabs: Home, Insert, Data, Review, and View, just like in the client. Once you've added values in your spreadsheet, if you get lost working in the online version of the app, you can simply type what you're trying to do and Excel will suggest a solution. Just like Word, you can rename your book and Excel Online will automatically save it for you. You're also able to share your spreadsheets, choose specific people, and allow editing if you'd like. Excel uses predictive search to autofill members of the La-Z-Boy organization. Send the link and you're all set.